Good morning, 10%ers. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. It is Wednesday, November 28th, 2018. We have a couple stocks on watch, ASNS, CRM, and AMD. So AMD is our beta name. And as we're building out, what's happening currently is I'm working on the components and the process to create a trading plan. But during that, I'm using the AMD as a beta name stock to trade against pretty much every day until the plan process and this particular strategy comes together. So what we're going to see today is continuation of AMD, not a continuation of a trend, but continuation of building out the plan and process and just going from there. Our goal basically is an average of $300 a day, $1,500 a week, um, and basically just getting, coming down to having a plan. You know, most traders don't trade with plans. They either have a lack of experience and they don't know how to build a plan. They never get it together, or they're overly experienced and they feel they're too good for a plan. Which, if we have a downturn in the market or market conditions change, or you can get trapped by that. So, I'm taking time to not just build a plan, but figure out how the plan is built, what components go into it, how I arrange it. Do I print it out? Do I put it on my glass board in the office? Where does it go? What do I do with it? So, that's the process that we're working towards. So we're gonna the setup in the morning for the first 30 minutes. We're gonna look at the volatility range I have set up on AMD. We're gonna trade in and out of that, and from there we're going to switch over to basically trend continuation or reversals with small size, hopefully protecting the profit that we made in the morning out of the open. So we'll see how it goes. So we've got about 3 minutes to go to the bell. I'm going to pause and I'll be back with you at the bell. All right. Let's see what we can make happen this morning.
All right, there you go, Jason. Slide it down.
And there's the bell.
All right, so there's the bell.
Got Ross the boss in my ear over here.
ALQA opening.
Quiet him down a little bit. He's doing his penny stock momentum gaps. Not something we're into right now. 2182. 2157. In. Took a small loss on that. right. Another small loss. We have 2 losing trades. We're down 289. We're pulling out of pulling back up. Again, just following the strategy. We don't have an entry here in this pull down until we get a pullback, or we pull back up and start trading back in our range. So I'm gonna pause the video until we get something going here. Could be a little bit now. All right, we're coming back up into our range. Hit 57. We hit it once. Down 1,000. There's a little misstep there. Got a doji there in the 1 minute. Just continue to pull down. We're gonna pause. We gotta waiting for a pullback on this on a 5-minute here. See if we can't get some continuation. So just a quick update, we still haven't taken any more trades. We've gotten to this consolidation period. Again, we're down $1,050. And we had a partial fill, and then I pulled the stop. I didn't realize we had a partial fill. I pulled the stop, then we filled, it ran past the stop. I tried to mark it out, and when I did mark it out on one of my other screens, I had a confirmation window that I wasn't paying attention to, and I didn't know what was going on, so I jumped on the other computer, looked back, saw the confirmation window. By the time we saw that, we were in the hole, $700 on the trade. So I think the lesson learned there is leave your stops alone. So we'll pause again. We're just waiting for this. We're waiting for this to see if we get a continuation underneath this 20.95 level. So just below the whole dollar and break down under 20.95 and have a continuation, or we may have a reversal. We'll see what happens. Well, we took one more trade and now we're down a little over $1,200. So we're gonna cut our losses and call it a day.